The designer of the gray attire is Gray Pangilinan. Materials used: fish net, metal paper, and beads. The brief description of the attire.
Dito ang ari, dito simbolo ng kasagalan. Ang ganda at biyaya ng ating masa ay ang kayamanang bunga ng ating kalupaan. Galing sa mga pagkayas tayo ng labong ng markaan, sa mga pagkakalin at iba-ibang mga buong kalaban at iyo. Ang isang bawang ito ay usas ang nangyayang buhay na
Presenting to the magnificent Carnival Bargain outfit. This great attire combines the element of traditional Filipino culture with a dash of imagination to express the essence of the real Carnival. The outfit includes a majestic headpiece with Carnival-like horns that are quietly drawn.
Phoenix is a long-played bird that is legally registered or reborn. A phoenix
Wah, dia candidate mo deta? Kapes na. Kasta karurop.
its first figure design symbolizes wisdom, enlightenment, innocence, and serenity. It shows that aside from the abundant and formidable
The designer of the gown is Peter Aquino. Materials used: Nipa leaves and Nipa fruits. Brief description: the Nipa leaves and the Nipa fruit is a symbol of simple living of the Aparianos from the beginning. Behind the simple living is a strong family ties bonded by unconditional love, care, and faith in God are being developed. It stands for foundation of a strong family and a strong harmony today. This masterpiece symbolizes joy and humor.
The designer is Mr. Dennis Albani. Materials used are club bushel and nipa. The festival costume of Visanaman shimmers in the radiant hue of gold, symbolizing abundance and prosperity. This majestic color mirrors the ripening of rice in Aglamat fields, signifying
The designer of the costume is Harry Anonymous, and the materials used are wooden pandan leaves or the bani, fairy lights, big boots, and the sinamay. The brief description: the cultural heritage is centered to protecting our sense of who we are. It gives us an irrefutable connection to the past, to certain social values and beliefs, customs and traditions that allows us to identify ourselves with others and deepen our sense of unity, belonging, and national pride. This
Each year celebrates farmers and hunting festivals and spirit in a stunning fusion of materials used are balik, apapa, basket, hikau, plastic veggies, plastic fruits, rubber, tali, ahama, wooden beds, and fly. The name of this costume is artwork and harvest paying homage to Filipinos, especially Aparianos, who continues to provide good harvest and
materials used or the Nintong Buddha.
Api kami nga nakalkalapati yu.
This provincial costume name of our brand from Latin words. Nintong Buddha was inspired to our hardworking rice farmers who strive This costume aims to remind our generation
designed by Mr. John Day Aguirre and Godo. Brief description, playing tributaries of this agrarian class. You will have a glimpse of the colorful history of Paris agricultural class with this stunning ensemble which pays homage to the town's rich farming traditions. Inspired by lush fields and abundant harvests that
use wooden beads, nets, and clay fish. The description in the southeast of Mali is one of the home of the banqueros, a part of these rivers across the province.
The magnificent Kagu that abundant found in the powerful and mighty Cagayan River symbolizes resiliency, prosperity, uniqueness, culturally rich, hardworking, and smart Amarianos. The Kagu might produce birds when it is being promoted like Marianas. These kinds of birds when they are privileged trials and challenges in this part of the world.
For the brief description, the setting aqua elements. A working outfit that expertly combines components influences by watery origins. The bodies of the attire is made of finely weaved sequins and beads in tones of azure, turquoise, and silver, emulating the magnificent glitter of Greece's tail. Layers of organized and chiffon cascade one of the ways to give the appearance of soft waves.
Designed by Mr. Monsieur Espada, an innovative and avant-garde design that emulates the majestic form of a beast of burden called Carabao. It will wooden light fibers intertwined with delicate patterns of batik, wooden beads, and plastic. A cinnamized skirt that embodies elegance and sophistication with its lightweight yet durable fabric woven from alpaca fibers. And unlike leaves of the unhallowed palm, exudes a rustic charm and tropical
The
allure.
designer of the attire is Elton Villanueva. Materials used, alpaca. Brief description, ibon malayo. Ang kasuotan ito ay sumisimbolo sa kanilang pagkakat ng pamumuhay, kultura, personalidad, at gawain pag-religion at mga ritual. Ang balahibo ay sumisimbolo sa kalayaan at kapayapaan tulad ng kanilang pagsunod sa agos ng puno. Gaya namin mga kapalyaro, sumasabay tayo sa agos ng puno.
Designed by Miles Positives, materials used alpaca, peanut sun, grand mesh, accentuated with bright palette, solar flowers, flowers made from wood. This Filipina creative attire, grand mesh, accentuated with bright palette, and solar flowers, flowers made from wood. The whole of the edifice represents the fluvial parade. Fluvial parade is a local festival featuring a fluvial procession of all.
Carabao Skin. Brief description, wearing this Carabao Skin costume holds a special place in Apariano's culture, arts, and heritage, which symbolizes hard work, determination, perseverance.
Designed by Reggie U. Pangilinan, materials used are weighted beads, rhinestone, and patio fabric. The costume defines magic of Kumanan in the town. The costume embodies Banat people, treated with hard work and talents to create a beautiful craftsmanship. Their dreams develop their trademark. The Banat people of Paharis always be seen because we're living. Apar's trademarks where the river meets the sea. In this year's
Materials used. The material used in each Filipiniana attire includes water bead, fabric, and wooden beads. Brief description: this attire shows the quality that Aparianos embody, being united. These Filipiniana symbolize our beautiful apari, while its wooden beads represents every Aparianos taking forward to a progressive municipality. Once again, was
materials used are ratan, sap, avatar, used green sap, accentuated with white stone and wooden beads. Iring is another of palay. This costume represents the hardworking and dedicated to our farmers of our fertile lands from the golden seeds that is for our home words of great success stories. This is a celebration of our farmers through pressure and their abundant blessing from our Almighty God. This costume aims to remind our generation to give more.
is available for foods and build Nakorda food. Materials used: wooden beads, old clothes, rubber matting, strapless, sequences, and bells. Introducing a dazzling masterpiece inspired by the vibrant spirit of our Ramah Festival and crafted with a blend of creativity and tradition. This is not an attire, it is testament to the rich cultural heritage of our Bali, proudly showcasing the essence of the festival through intricate details and colorful embellishment. This critical
This attire is a testament to the artistry and craftsmanship of its wearers.
This costume is a testament to the natural wonders that grace our land, reflecting the beauty of our surroundings. It's a tribute to the rich history of our community, rooted in the threads of heritage, culture, and scenic landscape. The costume design serves as an overall representation of a body as a town of excellence, progress, and development. It is a modern Filipino dress with a contemporary
Designed by Mr. Jackie Aguirre and Todo. With native gifts, a captivating collection of native-inspired clothing that honors the rich traditions and histories of indigenous people of Bahay. You may step into the beating heart of tradition. The main feature of this outfit is a flowing earth tone dress with hand-woven designs inspired by indigenous textiles and elaborate beadwork. The wearer is accessorized with elaborate jewelry and body art that are inspired by tribal traditions and ceremonies.
The designer is Ms. Jennifer Dunal. Brief description: ladies and gentlemen, representing the awe-inspiring indigenous attire, crafted entirely from the lustrous Bursawi, a treasure of Abani. This exquisite and simple pays homage to the flourishing aquatic life.
Materials used are the grains of palay, salakot, or rayapilao. Behold the stunning embodiment of Apari's agricultural heritage. The indigenous are crafted entirely from the golden grains of palay, a local treasure deeply rooted in the soil of this land. This magnificent and simple pays homage to the tireless farmers of Apari, whose unwavering dedication sustained
Dalisay na Cavite. Ang kasuotan nito ay kadalasang sumasagisag sa dalampasigan at araw at pagkamihan na maaari na ipaalala ang masasayang panahon tulad ng bakasyon o isang espesyal na sandali sa pamilyaran. Ito ay nagpapaalala sa atin na tayo mga kapalyano ng ating kabuhayan ay nagmula sa dagat. Katulad ng
Materials are woven at that place or body by umbrella, recycled mud, copper, and plastic bags. Apari is known internationally because of the first class arama. Apari has marked unanimously with Arama that it holds its Arama Festival as part of the Town Fiesta. It is a tribute to the hard work
ang mild title. Moderno ang kasuotan na nagre-representa sa mga masisipag at magandang magsasaka ng kapal. Ang disenyo ng pattern ng tela ang siyang hinatid sa kasuotan ay hamon sa mga sinaunang pagtulong ibanag. Tinaluan na ang palamuti tulad ng beads na gawa sa kahoy at dahon ng kapal.
with a nice, rich culture and history, iconic attire of Philippines as Giza Mirwin named Maria Clara its modern age. It's a perfect spotlight for this traditional attire to be of style and fashion, the evidence of and spirituality of Filipinos.
Emotera, dito pa. Kandilit mo.
The rapid increase of modernity and development on stage. This national dress is embellished with coconut husk that can flamboyantly seen by our fully handmade, tapping in with capital Maria Clara's sleeves, premeditated with cinnamon and wooden wood.
The designer is Carmen de la Cruz, and materials used will be spotlight and Abaca clay. A scarecrow is a big boy variety that is often seen in the shape of a tree.
Design by Mr. Javi de la Cruz. Look, the both TBR materials used are walis tambo, abaca, abanico, and artificial and sea-grade angels. This costume depicts how the river meets the sea of Hawaii, adorned with intricately handcrafted textile and the weaving of the ice and water together, mimicking the contour yet words of vibrant beauty.
Another is Cross Grease Capucine. Materials used: recycled rubber mat, stick glue, golden fabrication, bright stone pearls, and golden beads. The Golden Harvest is the title. This great attire is a vibrant and eye-catching example inspired by the beauty and bounty of nature's harvest. This outfit exudes warmth and positive.
Designed by Mr. John Calvin Pacific, materials used are land, sand, avocayos, pizza, accentuated with limestone and glass grids. This national costume is a tribute to our rich agricultural lands, hardworking farmers, and multiple harvests of Hawaii. This masterpiece recognizes our local farmers who dedicate and preserve the planting Malay, spawning green fields in our municipality, earning a living for their
Use nipa leaves, basket bamboo, artificial fruits, bamboo beads, abacato, and pandan leaves. This quickly indigenous attire is a captivating blend of rustic charm
mula sa masa ay ang kayamanang bunga ng ating kalupaan. Galing sa mga Pilipinas, Brian Arnao,